Hello, my dear friends. My name is Ritu Tandon, and I am the founder and CEO of Shivoham Unlocking Potentials. I welcome you all on this series of self empowerment. We started with an initiative in order to help you transform your lives and fulfill each and every wish in your heart. We have started with a self empowerment series to help you improve 5 areas of your life: health, wealth, your relationship, your professional life, and your passion and spirituality. Tuesday being devoted to our wealth creation. Why is wealth so important? Wealth is the foundation of life. All the experiences that you have in life are somewhere or related to the amount of wealth that you have. Money cannot buy everything. I do understand that, but money can significantly buy lot many things and lot many experiences. So if you want to have your life full of experiences, if you want to live life to the fullest, you need to have a good amount of money in your bank accounts and in your wallets. So with that, I have started this initiative of sharing ways that you can use to magnify or increase your wealth and start enjoying life in a more better way. Now, how does money come to us? We need to first earn the money, then we need to save the money, and thirdly, we need to invest the money. So we will talk about things in which we can improve our ways of earning money, we can improve our ways of saving the money, and we can also improve our way of investing the money. In today's world, when everything is dynamic, everything is changing so fast, we cannot just depend on one source of income. We never know whatever profession we are in, it may become outdated tomorrow. We never know, the profession that we are totally dependent on may become obsolete in the coming times. So it is very, very important and essential for us that we should try to invest our money in a way that in case our profession does not continue to give us the amount of money that it is giving us today, we have other sources of income to supplement us. Also, any additional amount of money can be used for investing and multiplying your wealth in a more, multiple manner. So I would suggest that we should spend each amount of money that we earn very smartly and very intelligently. Each penny saved is a penny earned. These phrases or these sayings are not just said because they don't mean anything. They are said with lot of intelligence, because every amount of money that you put in the right investment will give you fruitful results tomorrow. So it is important that you understand that your money has to be multiplied only by you. Nobody knows how much you earn. You don't share that information with anybody. So if nobody knows how much you are earning, how do you suppose them to advise you or suggest you ways and means to multiply that money? So if you think that you have any kind of surplus money, please put that money into use. Please try to invest it as fast as you can. Any amount of money invested today will multiply and give results tomorrow. So don't let that money lie idle. Don't spend it on things which you do not require. Just because you have that money lying in your account, don't buy things which you do not need. Buy things which you need, but do not spend money unnecessarily on things which are of no important significance in your life. There is no end to buying luxury, but to reach to that stage where you can buy any amount of luxury, you first need to have a wealth pot. And you have to create your wealth pot by your own doings, by your own savings, by using your own mind, and by taking help of people who are experts in that field. So every month be committed to save a specific amount of money to some saving plan. Whatever excites you, whatever you feel that it can give you a good return, go with your gut, go with your advisors, whatever he advises, go with the trend, go with the market, how the market is performing right now, how where people are putting in money. So you need to follow all those things which is happening around you. Be aware of the situation what is the current scenario in your country, where are people investing, where is all the money going. So be mindful. You cannot live a life of ignorance in this age when everything, all information is so easily available to you. Why not use it for your own benefit? You don't have to go and visit physically to a place to understand and invest your money. Everything can happen just with a click of a button. So what you just need to do is increase your awareness. Just be aware of the various options which are available to you to invest your money. We will talk about various options in our upcoming days and weeks ahead, and today the topic that I have chosen is a very simple thing. It is a very sure and secure method of investment which is known as PPF, Public Provident Fund. Now this is a government created fund which basically is for people to invest and safely put their money so that their retirement corpus can be created. It gives you a place where you can keep parking your funds for a future at a later stage. So PPF comes with a locking period of 15 years and it can be extended for additional 5 years after the end of every 5 years. Now what is the benefit of investing money in PPF? Now like PPF, like your own company's provident fund, PPF is an additional public provident fund. It has a fixed rate of return which is determined by government every quarter and declared. It used to be as high as 8 point something till last year, but now at present it is at 7.1%. This is the highest rate of interest being offered compared to any FD from any other bank. So PPF money is totally safe and secure. You are sure that you will get a return of the specified amount of interest as specified by the government in advance for that quarter or for that term or for that year. And the best part is, on maturity, on completion of 15 years, whatever money has been accumulated is completely tax free. So you can enjoy a big corpus of funds absolutely without being bothered about the tax implications. You can also open PPF in account of your children. So it is just like creating an educational fund for your children, which is secure, which you cannot withdraw, which will keep your money safe, which will multiply at a good rate, and the interest will get compounded and multiply faster for you. So by the time your children grows up and they require a certain amount of money for education, you already have a very good corpus already placed and ready for them. So you do not have to compromise on their education. Similarly, you can create the same fund for your retirement. If you've not invested in any pension plans, or if your company or your organization does not support any pension, at least PPF is the basic thing that you can do for yourself. A small investment starting from basic 500 to 1,50,000 in a year is what you need to invest. Depending upon your budget, you can put your money safely into PPF in any of the post offices, PSU banks, private banks, wherever you want. It allows partial withdrawal after a year of 7 years, but still it is worth putting your money there because it is one place which is secure, which is giving you good returns, and it is creating a good financial amount of corpus for your future planning. So you can put all your money there and enjoy a big corpus at the time of your retirement, or at the time of your education of your children, or the marriage of your children, and enjoy that money. So with this, I come to an end for today, and I keep advising you that spend smartly, save money, invest it properly, and we will learn more and more options in the coming weeks. Thank you.